Hi, everybody. Michelle Jacobic here from Prosperity After Divorce, certified divorce financial analyst. And I'm checking back in with you today with step 2 of the 5 things that you must know before accepting a divorce settlement offer. Yesterday in my video, I covered the importance or the difference between a divorce attorney and a mediator and the role that they play in the divorce proceedings, and also the importance of having a certified divorce financial analyst on your team. Building your team is super important. And today, what I'm going to do is talk to you about avoiding long term regret. Friends, the average divorce takes more than a year today. And most women, I find, want to put this shameful event behind them as quickly as possible. Men, on the other hand, tend to be a little bit more patient in the divorce proceedings. They tend to be able and willing to stay in that arena a little bit longer. One, they may be in no rush to pay if they're the ones that are actually the main providers and income earners. Making sure that they're not paying more than they need to is super important to them, right? They're going to try to preserve their income potential to be able to make sure that they're starting their chapter out well, and they may not be in a rush to pay. Second, they may earn enough to be able to sit in this holding pattern a little bit more comfortably than you. And third, they may want to make sure that there is every stone unturned to be sure that they're not giving away one extra penny more than they absolutely have to. What I find is that many women are rushing this process because they are sitting in a holding pattern of waiting to figure out how they're going to move forward financially. If you've been a stay-at-home mom and the CEO of your own household, and you're now trying to figure out how you're going to start your next chapter, and you've been out of the workforce, or you are maybe in school trying to figure out how to finish your education and now find yourself in the process of divorce, that's a pretty discerning place to be. And so we tend to want the structure and the stability of understanding what the financial decisions are going to be quicker. But hold on. Do not let yourself get caught up in a get it over with mentality that lands you in financial strife. In 2011, the US Census Bureau actually reported that of the women who divorced in the previous 12 months, 27% of these women had an annual household income of less than $25,000 if they were standing on their own. Only 70% of recently divorced men reported the same. So if you don't have a strong team in place to watch your back, you could be one of these many women who face the real danger of becoming a post-divorce poverty statistic. Rushed financial decisions made during the divorce process can actually lead to a disastrous financial future. The best way for you to ensure that you're receiving an equitable settlement is the aid of a professional insight, and understanding that the collaborative divorce process helps to ensure a solid, stable economic future and actually prevents long-term regret. If you'd like some more information about how you can add me to your divorce team, or just find out a little bit more about the collaborative process, please be sure to visit my website, which will be in the link below.